We just got back from the Midland Helicopter Club, where we could check the new version of the Goosky E2, the Super Huey, in Rescue Edition. It's a Rescue Edition indeed, because it has got the US Coast Guard Rescue color scheme. And the other reason, it saves your ass if you can't fly helicopters. This is the Goosky E2 original version. It has an inbuilt stabilizer, but there are no external sensors, so Daniel is responsible for the position and the altitude in this pretty windy flight. Stanley is flying our E2 at the very first time, and he's flying with stabilizer. The heli is holding well, but coming over the wind is Stanley's task. This helicopter is pretty sensitive to the wind. Don't get confused, these kids know what they are doing. They are not complete beginners. And here it is, the Goosky E2 Rescue Edition. No doubt, the new color scheme makes the helicopter much more visible in the air, which helps the flying a lot. However, let's not downgrade the original edition. That paint is supposed to be some sort of camouflage, and well, if the camouflage is well visible, it's wrong. In the same wind conditions, the E2 new version is flying like there was no wind at all. It holds the altitude and it holds the position. This is what the sensor trio, the GPS, the LiDAR and the optical sensor can do, and it's well proven. The helicopter is not ours, so we can't show as much as we would if it was ours. But if you want to see all the details of the helicopter, we went through everything in the walkthrough video, and to be honest, there are not too many differences between the two models. From a mechanical point of view, there is no big difference between the already existing E2 and this one, and the fuselage is almost the same as well, just the paintings differ. Even the place of the sensors is there on the original fuselage, so if you don't like this color scheme, the original one perfectly fits, and it costs about 70 pounds. And this should be true on the other way around. Seemingly the screws are at the same places in both cases. Side note, the missile launchers are not parts of the Rescue Edition. The stabilizer feature can be switched off. Then the helicopter will fly like the original version. It's also 3D capable. So yes, you can fly upside down. It's being said, it's not our model, so this is not demonstrated this time. You can release the sticks and the helicopter remains stationary in the air. Even the return to home is supported. There is a boundary with GPS flying, 300 meters horizontally and 100 meters vertically. I don't think anyone would fly that far, but it's good to know. This system makes a drone out of the helicopter, although the helicopter will fly the nicest scale-light flight with no stabilizer. On the flip side, the drone technology built-in makes this helicopter suitable for absolute beginners, even with very little drone experience or no knowledge at all. In this case, however, have someone experienced around you. No doubt, this helicopter can withstand even the stronger wind. Just watch Stanley's t-shirt, the grass and the nitro smoke in the background. Cool, isn't it? As I said, there is no big difference between the E2 and the E2 Rescue Edition, apart from the GPS sensor, the LiDAR sensor and the optical sensor. So the stabilizer is pretty much different. Apart from that, everything else is the same. If you want to know more about this model and you want to know all the details, this video here is definitely for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.